Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking earbuds. This is called X3 Lite and it's done by a company called Edifier. I have to mention that this bad boy, it is IPX5, water resistance, and also it's good for gaming and more. It has voice assistance. Good this is, and I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification and select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP, and don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. In here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with this nice looking, very small user manual. It has their name and also the model number. It also says manual at the bottom. And once you go inside of it, it has a lot of options that you can learn from, but it is very, very small. So I hope you have something that you can read it with, but it comes with a lot of different languages. And once you go to the back, you can find their social networking information and also some more information at the bottom. It also comes with another little paper that will give you all these little listings so you can learn more about your earbuds. It also comes with extra ear tips. I do not want to take it out because it will get dirty. So there are small ones and big ones. So this way, if you do need it, you can replace it very quickly. It also comes with charger. One side is USB type A, going to USB type C, so you can quickly charge your docking station with this. So here is the actual earbuds. You can see it's nicely designed. It has their logo right on the top. Then you have a little sensor. Now when you flip, there's nothing else there. But when you go inside of it, you can see the charging port where it's going to charge when you put it inside of the docking station. But the earbud is really nicely done, so it goes inside of your ear. We will demonstrate that in a couple of seconds. Now when you look on the other one, it looks exactly the same markings, everything is there, that how it's supposed to be. And when you tap it, it is going to function for you, but we haven't initiated anything yet. The docking station is also really nicely designed. You can see that you have the charging port in the back. I like that little cut that goes all the way around. And when you look in the bottom, you have some information from the company itself. But when you look on the top is the actual company name. I really like that. And there's nothing around. But when you open it is where the earbuds will fit in. And it has the left and the right little icon. The charging stations are there too. So now when you place them, it nicely going to fit in. And that's not the only thing. It has a little magnet, so it just sits them properly. And when you close, you hear that. There is no indication here around that shows exactly how much charge it got, but we're going to connect it to see exactly if it shows or not. I have to mention one thing, that there's not much weight to it. So when you do hook it up for the charge, now I'm using another charger that I'm charging my phone with, you can see that there is a little red light. That means that it is charging. And once it gets charged, then we will connect it to our phone and we will test the connection. All right, it's time to pair the actual earbuds with our phone. So for that, we have to make sure that we bring down, hold the Bluetooth, and then we're going to say start searching. And it already found the actual earbuds. We didn't even take it out yet. And grab the left one. And you can see there is a little light that is blinking. That means it's waiting for it to get paired. So we will select, and then you will get that noise. Yes, click pair, and now it is paired. That's the best part. And you can see the volume is there too. And it says that this earbud have 90% charge. And now when you select the tool, you will be able to see the name. And also it shows that for calls and for audio, this is connected. And also will tell you to rename, disconnect, and unpair. This is usual from the Android phones. All right, enough said about it. Let's get this tested. Now we're going to test the earbuds and we're going to record our voice to see exactly how good it will pick up the sound when you are on the call. So this is how it will be done. So we will grab the earbuds and we're going to wear both of them. There will be an indentation right over here that will tell you that we are testing this. Now for that, we got to make sure that once it starts playing, you're going to see the indentation, except that the sound comes from this camera itself. So let's click the record button and hear how it sounds when you are on this earbuds and how good it will sound is on your hands, because I cannot hear my own voice. This has a nice noise cancellation right now going on, so it sounds like I'm talking in my own head, but right now this is how it will sound, so this way you know at least how this will be. And I'm going to click the stop button, and now the sound comes from this camera right over here. So now we will test to see if when we tap how fast it will pause the video or play. Let's do that right now. So we would double tap, and you can see that it paused right away, and when we tap it again it plays it. So this is how good we know that the latency is when you are trying to process certain things, or when you want to pick up a call, or hang up a call, or even listening to a music, you want to pause it, or you get a call, you tap so that way you can pick up a call. How easy that is. So it is very sensitive. It works perfectly. Now when it comes to an actual songs, it does the job not that bad. So I would give it about 6.5 out of 10 when it comes to listening to music, because this does the job good. But again, it's when it comes to actual bass, it's not going to give you a really heavy bass, but it's good enough for you not to get vibration in your ears, but it has bass. I am sure that when you are going to wear this and you go for jogging and all, it will work perfectly for you, so you do not have to worry about getting something different for your sports. And if you want to just lay down somewhere and you want to relax, you want to listen to some music, this earbuds will do the job for you perfectly. Plus, while you're doing that, if you do get a call, they can hear you nicely. All the links will be available at the bottom of the video where you can order it from, except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.